Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome to Nintacos, where we talk about Nintendo. My name is Senor Taco, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some old footage of some keycaps that I made. So hopefully you guys enjoy it, and let me know if you guys have any recommendations for any potential keycaps to make later on, because if I find a good one, I might just give it a go. So anyways, I'll see you guys, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Bye-bye. How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? So today I started yesterday actually, but I began working on this little itty bitty Rayquaza. As you can see, he's almost done. The way that I went about it was basically nicking a toothpick and bending it, and then the little flaps that he has on him, including his tail right here, are pieces of paper that I cut out to resemble the whatever he's got on him, and then I placed a piece of red yarn or string, whatever you want to call it, on top of it, as well as coloring everything in meticulously with one of my little brushes. But essentially what I did, I made a brush out of a toothpick and one of my hairs, one of my mustache hairs, and I try to get all that detail in there, as you can see. So for size comparison, oh, okay, so wait, before I continue, there are these little beads and some fishing line that I've got, as I don't know if you guys can see very well right here, but essentially I've glued this together, and I'm gonna glue these right approximately here to make his arms. Yeah. So size comparison, I'm going to take, there's one of these pins. As you guys can see, he's a little longer than that. I think I used 2 toothpicks to make his body the appropriate size. And once again, here's a toothpick next to him, so you guys can see the size comparison. That's a regular toothpick, not a big one. It's what, like those cheap toothpicks that come in little containers. But there he is. It's my finger, and there's the Rayquaza. I'm gonna put him in the space bar, and we'll see how that goes. I put a lot of work in him. I've been working on him since yesterday. Oh, by the way, these right here, his little antenna, are also fishing line that I've cut to the right size and I've placed on him. So there he is, looking awesome. And I'll show you guys the final product. But before I'm saving him until I have more characters, because on the spacebar I also want to add possibly a Deoxys and other things along the lines. So we'll see how far I can get with that. I need to do homework today, so unfortunately I won't be able to work much past what's going on. But I'll keep you guys updated. So I finished making the Rayquaza, and let me see if this is automatic focus here. So oh, by the way, I'm making the background for the space, which I'm mixing colors and trying to figure out what looks good. But there's Rayquaza, and I made 2 little Deoxys. As you guys can see here, let me try to get Rayquaza out of the way. Right there. Let me see if I can make it look a little better. Maybe not. I won't be able to. But yeah, so. Come on. There we go. That's a little Deoxys. I added toothpicks, and the same for the other one. Made out of toothpicks, so I'm gonna try to put them in the scene, and we'll see how it looks afterwards. I'll show you guys. I'm gonna make the space bar. So yeah. Alright guys, so like it's literally years later and there's the finished product. I just never got around to uploading it until now. So there it is. Here, let me see if I can move this around a little bit so you guys can see it a little better. So I decided to put the Deoxys and the Rayquaza on either side of the key cap. I personally, my favorite view is from on top, straight on top. But seeing as you know, I'm having difficulty focusing as always, right? Let me see if I can. There it is. That's probably as best as that's gonna get. So I really like it. I think it came out beautifully. The only thing is, as you guys can see, and I had to fix it afterwards because the spacebar is so big, it did come out a little warped. Here, that's the back side, so don't look at that. It's the ugly side. It did come out a little warped, as you guys can see. It's a little further down on the right hand side than it is on the left hand side. So then I had to also alter the bottom pieces, and right now, unfortunately, it is both the right and the left hand side are broken, which I plan on fixing soon by the addition of this. I had to cut this in half, and I'll take care of that later. But as for now, I hope you guys enjoyed the little video, and let me see if I have any more in backup or on reserve that I made prior. And let me know if you guys like it, and maybe I'll get back into doing this. So yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.